Hello and welcome to this video on prevention and mitigation of disasters, risks, or problems. Prevention and mitigation are two key strategies to reduce the potential harm and impact of various threats and challenges that we face in our world. Prevention means taking actions that can avoid or eliminate the occurrence or cause of a disaster, risk, or problem. Mitigation means taking actions that can reduce the exposure or impact of a disaster, risk, or problem if it cannot be prevented. In this video, we will explore some examples of how to prevent and mitigate different types of disasters, risks, or problems, such as natural, human-made, or complex. Natural disasters are events that result from natural phenomena, such as earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, droughts, wildfires, etc. Natural disasters can cause severe damage to the environment, infrastructure, and human lives. To prevent and mitigate natural disasters, we can monitor and forecast the natural hazards using scientific methods and technologies, such as seismometers, satellites, radars, etc. Implement early warning systems and emergency plans to alert and prepare the public and the authorities for potential disasters. Build resilient and adaptive infrastructure and buildings that can withstand the natural forces and reduce the physical damage. Protect and restore the natural ecosystems and resources that can buffer the natural hazards and provide essential services such as wetlands, forests, soil, water, etc. Support and empower the vulnerable and affected communities to cope with and recover from the disasters, such as providing humanitarian aid, healthcare, education, livelihoods, etc. Human-made disasters are events that result from human actions or errors, such as industrial accidents, terrorist attacks, cyber attacks, wars, etc. Human-made disasters can cause serious harm to the society, security, and economy. To prevent and mitigate human-made disasters, we can enforce and comply with the laws, regulations, and standards that govern the human activities and behaviors, such as safety, security, quality, ethics, etc. Increase the awareness and education of the public and the stakeholders on the risks and consequences of the human-made disasters and how to prevent and respond to them. Strengthen the security and protection of the critical infrastructure and systems that are vulnerable to the human-made threats, such as power grids, transportation networks, communication systems, etc. Promote the cooperation and dialogue among the different actors and sectors that are involved or affected by the human-made disasters, such as governments, businesses, civil society, etc. Address the root causes and drivers of the human-made disasters, such as poverty, inequality, injustice, conflict, etc., etc. Complex disasters are events that result from a combination of natural and human-made factors, such as epidemics, famines, refugee crises, etc. Complex disasters can cause widespread and long-lasting impacts on the human well-being and development. To prevent and mitigate complex disasters, we can conduct and support the research and innovation that can enhance the understanding and management of the complex disasters, such as epidemiology, biotechnology, social sciences, etc. Implement and coordinate the integrated and holistic policies and programs that can address the multiple and interrelated dimensions of the complex disasters, such as health, food, water, sanitation, etc. Mobilize and allocate the adequate and timely resources and capacities that can meet the urgent and diverse needs of the complex disasters, such as funding, personnel, equipment, etc. Engage and involve the local and affected communities and groups that can provide valuable insights and solutions to the complex disasters, such as indigenous peoples, women, youth, etc. Foster the resilience and sustainability of the social and ecological systems that can cope with and adapt to the complex disasters, such as social capital, diversity, innovation, etc. These are some of the examples of how to prevent and mitigate different types of disasters, risks, or problems. Prevention and mitigation are essential strategies to improve our quality of life, protect our environment, and enhance our resilience and sustainability. Thank you for watching this video on prevention and mitigation of disasters, risks, or problems. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.